Is this too much of a good thing?
I love that.
I'm like, people are like, I'm like. With your leg on the wall. And then come down just a little bit so I can see the boot. Yep, right there. And maybe hand here or hand in pockets. What makes more sense? Let's do that. That looks good.
Yeah.
That looks like
Really comfortable.
Yes. Your hair looks so cute. Oh, it is. And put it behind your head. Yes. So good. Now let me show your shoes.
Oh, that's so good.
It's like, I know.
I need space, so we'll see what it looks like for your.
Yes, that's what I'm going towards. So we'll just keep moving through this. Yes, oh my gosh. Okay. Just take this hand across your body. There you go, yes. Now lift up your chin because you're, yes, that's it. Wow.
Tilt your head up to the ceiling a little bit. Relax your eyebrows and smiling down.
Oh my gosh, yes, that is sexy and a little coy. Oh, yes, that. Yes. Oh. I love how you're holding the necklace. That was perfect. It was such a natural thing to do. There you go.
And chin down just a hair. That's it. Oh my gosh.
Gorgeous. Yep.
Play with your necklace with both hands. She's like, my work here is done.